Hello and welcome to the course called Hands-on Cloud Analysis with Microsoft SharePoint 2019. Now let's take a look at what this course is all about. So this course is divided into 4 sections. First of all, in section called Managing Cloud-Based Collaboration in an Enterprise Environment, we are going to explore and manage SharePoint Online and Microsoft Teams. Next lesson is about managing cloud-based storage in an enterprise environment, and for that purpose we will deep dive into OneDrive management. With that, we will round our knowledge of cloud-based collaboration and storage services correlated to SharePoint Online, alongside with SharePoint Online itself. So after that, it is time that we take a look at SharePoint on-premises management. For that purpose, we will explore how to plan and implement a SharePoint 2019 farm, alongside with its authentication and business connectivity. And in last section of this course, section 4, named Connecting On-Premises and SharePoint Online Environment, we will discuss hybrid SharePoint 2019 deployment, where we will explain reasons and advantages of linking SharePoint on-premises with SharePoint Online. When we talk about prerequisites for following this course, there is nothing special. All you need is internet connection and browser. And of course, you certainly need some basic IT knowledge in terms of cloud computing and on-premises computing. Now we're done with the introduction and let's start with this course.